Planning a trip to Charleston, South Carolina? Before you pack those bags or book that flight, hold up. Whether you're dreaming of pastel streets, southern eats, or beachy escapes, knowing when to visit and what to bring can make or break your Lowcountry experience. Stick around because I'm sharing my top Charleston travel tips, from the best times to visit to exactly what to pack for every season, plus a few local hacks you won't want to miss. Let's make your Charleston getaway picture perfect, stress-free, and totally unforgettable. If I had to pick one season, it's spring. Azaleas are blooming, the air smells like jasmine, and the weather is pure magic. Think mid-70s to low 80s. It's perfect for exploring the historic district, strolling through gardens, and outdoor dining on every corner. Bonus tip, don't miss the Festival of Houses and Gardens. It's Charleston at its most elegant. Summer brings the heat, and I mean literally. Temps hover in the 90s with high humidity. But if you love beach days, water sports, and frozen cocktails, you'll thrive. Just prepare to sweat and pack accordingly. More on that in a sec. Events to catch: Spoleto Festival USA, 4th of July, fireworks at the harbor, and live music at the Windjammer. Fall is Charleston's best kept secret. It's cooler, less crowded, and still stunning. Think 60s to 70s with crisp evenings and golden light on every street. Plus, oyster season kicks off, which means cozy food fests, y'all. Winter is mild here, we're talking 50s to 60s. No snow, just cozy charm. The city decks the halls beautifully for the holidays, and there are way fewer tourists. Event highlight: the Holiday Festival of Lights at James Island County Park. It's a local fave. Alright, now that you've got the when, let's talk about the what, also known as your Charleston packing guide. Charleston weather can be moody, sunny one minute, stormy the next. Pack breathable clothes like cotton or linen, and always bring a light jacket or cardigan for breezy nights. Essentials include flowy sundresses, linen shorts or pants, tank tops or short sleeves, and lightweight outerwear. Local tip: southern humidity is real. Skip the jeans unless you want to feel like you're wrapped in a warm, wet towel. Charleston is super walkable, but cobblestones are no joke. Leave the stilettos at home and go for comfy sandals, cute sneakers, or dressy flats for going out. Charleston's sun does not play even in spring or fall. Keep your skin and eyes safe with these must-haves: sunglasses, a broad-brimmed hat, reef-safe sunscreen, and a refillable water bottle. Bonus item: a small portable fan or cooling towel for those sweltering summer days. Quick storms roll through, especially in summer, and they vanish just as fast. Be prepared with a compact umbrella, a light rain jacket, and quick dry sandals or water-resistant shoes. These little things go a long way. A day bag or backpack for sightseeing, a camera or phone tripod for solo photos, a power bank because you'll be snapping pics all day, bug spray especially in late summer near the water, and a dressier outfit if you plan to hit a rooftop bar or fine dining spot. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick local hacks to make your trip even smoother. Avoid walking tours at noon in July. Go early morning or sunset instead. Your skin and sweat glands will thank you. Download the Where's My Car app. Charleston's winding alleys and cute distractions make it easy to lose track. Make reservations at popular restaurants weeks in advance, especially during spring and fall. Don't just visit downtown. Check out Folly Beach, Sullivan's Island, and Shem Creek for a well-rounded Lowcountry experience. There you have it, the ultimate travel guide to Charleston. From when to visit to what to pack, now you're ready to explore this dreamy city with style and ease. Let me know in the comments, what time of year are you planning to visit Charleston? And if you've been here before, share your go-to tips too. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Charleston travel tips, home tours, and insider guides. Until next time, happy travels, y'all!